Hey guys, so today we're making some crispy fried fish fillet. I'm using flounder fish. You can use your favorite type of fish. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I have my fish fillet in this bowl. So now I'm going to start seasoning both sides of the fish. So to season it, I'm using Old Bay seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Just be careful when you're adding the salt that you don't add too much because the Old Bay seasoning has salt in it as well, okay? So be sure to rub the seasonings on both sides of your fish. Okay guys, so next you want to get a bowl, and in that first bowl I'm gonna crack a few eggs and beat it slightly. Next I'm gonna add in a little bit of milk. You can use milk or buttermilk, will be even better here in this recipe, okay? And you're just gonna mix the milk and the eggs together until it's well combined. Okay, so next you want to get a large plate, and this is gonna be what I'm gonna dredge my fish in. So on the plate I'm putting some cornmeal and some flour. So you want to add equal amounts of cornmeal and flour, and I'm also going to season up the flour mixture a little bit with some Old Bay seasoning, okay? As usual, you guys, check the description box down below for the measurements and the ingredients I'm using, okay? So give that a mix to combine all the ingredients together. So next you're going to take the pieces of fish and you're going to dip it into the wet batter and then into the flour mixture, making sure you coat both sides of the fish really well. You want it to be fully coated in that flour mixture, okay? And you're basically going to do the same thing to each piece of your fish. Okay guys, so next you want to get a frying pan and place it over medium-high heat, and once the pan gets hot, I'm going to add in some oil. You want to add enough oil in the pot to fry the fish really well, okay? So the oil should be at least halfway up to the fish, okay? So once the oil gets nice and hot, you're going to take your pieces of dredged fish and place it into the hot oil, and from here you're just going to fry it up until it's nice and golden brown. So once that first side gets nice and golden brown, you can flip it to the other side. I would say about 4 minutes on each side. All right, and the fish is gonna get nice and crispy and golden brown. And that's it for this recipe, you guys. Pretty simple but absolutely delicious. All right, so once the fish finish frying, I like to place mine on a plate lined with paper towel so that the extra oil can drip into the paper towel, and then you guys, you can enjoy your fried fish with your favorite sides. So yeah, and don't forget the hot sauce with the fried fish. But that is it for today's recipe, you guys. So simple and delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see my upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.